Ow, my nails. Hi over there, welcome to another unboxing my Birchbox box. So yeah, I mean, basically what I'm usually doing is at the beginning of the month, thank God, because I actually got today the box. I get the box, I unbox it, and then allegedly I am supposed to come back at the end of the month with reviews, which I know I never do it. Like, I'm still behind with one box because one of them is coming this week as well. So, you know, those kind of clips of reviewing the actual box for a month and seeing if I actually made use out of the product is basically more of like whether the box is amazing and I'm actually using it, or if you're interested in just one product. So yeah, definitely subscribe and stay tuned for those ones, because yeah, I don't have a specific time. I usually post on Thursdays, but if I do have time, I do post in the week time as well, like other than Thursday. So yeah, let's just jump in and see what I got in here, because last time I got the same size of box and I got like a gift because I got like the VIP thing, but I have no idea if they gave me another gift or they changed the packaging, because yeah, it's true, I got it sometimes damaged because it was only in the tinier version. But yeah, what? I'm confused. They gave me another. Hey, I'm pretty sure they made a mistake, cause like, wait, this is the one I got last month, because I thought they gave me like a gift for my birthday, which was not the case, sadly. I thought they gave me chocolate. I was really disappointed. And now they gave me another one. I mean, I'm not complaining. I quite used it. I guess this is Faith hearing me out complaining too much about that goddamn chocolate, because I actually expected the chocolate. I don't know. I already saw the box online, sadly, because I'm trying to not see what I get. But they posted it on Instagram. I'm following them on Instagram, and I really like that this month comes like this. Like, you don't, I mean, it depends, because like I do have a stash of the ones I got before, but this one I think I'm gonna use it for makeup because it's really nice. You open it just like this, and ooh, you have a mirror as well. I mean, it's not the best quality, very cheaply made mirror, but I can appreciate that. Like, that's really cute actually. This month I got the Professional Benefit Primer. I've tried it as a in the shop, like I got it and I put it on my hand, but I never genuinely tried it on my face. So this is really exciting for me. I got this one. Yeah, it's extremely tiny. Like, how am I supposed to open this like that? It is a joke. Like, you see how tiny this is? Probably I will use it only twice. But you know, I mean, it is something, and I know it's really extremely expensive. So I am not fully complaining about that. So I got this one. Professional Benefit is £28. So yeah, quite pricey. So next I got the Estate Loves Birchbox Dewy Me. Oh, the baked highlighter. I choose the shade. Fingers crossed they gave me the one I chose. Yes, I've seen with most of their collabs / makeup stuff where they have their name and stuff, like the packaging is not at its best. I got like a bronzer before and it's amazing, the bronzer. I actually have it today on, but the packaging is kind of like annoying. So let's swatch it. Okay, I like it. It is definitely my kind of vibe. I put it actually on now, but I have 2 highlighters already, so a third one I think is too much even for myself. The Estate Cosmetic Dew Me Baked Highlighter, the one I chose, is £10, which it is quite pricey if this is the full size. Next is the Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream. Wow. Bixby. Oh, I hate that stuff. So I can't believe they actually like read my mind, because like this morning I was thinking I don't have an eye cream at all, and I was like, I need a cream, I should buy myself a cream, and like, thank you, you came in at the right time. So it's the Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream, and the full size retails for £20. That one is 15 milliliters, while this one is 7 milliliters. So, you know, decent amount. I also got the Diamond Eye Brighten and Deep Puff mask, I guess? Eye pads, yeah. So this is £5. We'll see about that, if it's worth £5, because I guess you can only use it once, which, yeah. It is made in Korea, and I know Korean makeup is skincare. Maybe makeup, I never tried makeup, but like with Korean skincare, I've tried like only one sheet mask, and I was pretty goddamn surprised by it. But yeah, I'm really excited to try these ones too. I said £5. Next. This is the biggest of them all, and it is the Cherry Blossom. Obviously it's a conditioner. They always give me hair products. I'm not even gonna buy anymore a conditioner, because I still have the one from last month, because yeah, I mean, to be honest, I have it because I already have like a bigger size, but this is quite a decent size, so you know, it's nice. And yeah, I mean, really excited to try it out to some extent. To this point, I never found a conditioner that makes a difference compared to the others. I only find stuff that really works nice or doesn't work at all, but never something that works like so, you know, it's quite nice. I actually gonna try this one, so we'll see if this is the one or is like the rest. But yeah, so the full size retails for 19.40 pounds. Yeah, 19.40 pounds. And I'm not quite sure how much is the big size, but it's definitely bigger than this one. This is 40 milliliters. Decent. I can use it plenty of times. I still don't get it. Why I get shredded paper? Why? I know it's recyclable. It's just a waste of paper anyhow. Although it's going to be recycled, I'm not a fan. So yeah, I mean, other than what I said, like, this is just unboxing to see what you get in a box. But if you want to see me talking specifically about each product, definitely subscribe. Stay close to this channel, because like I said, I'm always uploading. I only have one more to film when it comes to the review of the product inside, and I should be fine. Like, I'm gonna film it probably this week, so I'm gonna be on time with this bad boy. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this clip. It was useful and relevant, and I guess, fingers crossed, I will see you in the next clip. But yeah, bye.